guys, welcome back to my channel today. Welcome back to another day of eating low carb. Today's video is a full day of eating at home. I had a very fun weekend, as you guys saw, of going out to my friends, my in-laws, and then I had Thai food all day Sunday. So the scale is kind of not where it's supposed to be right now, but that's okay. So it's Monday. We're gonna have a fresh, nice restart. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me, show you guys what I eat, what I make in a day. We have to get back to our goals. So it is time to break our fast. I've been working all morning. It is, I think it's almost 1 o'clock and I have not eaten anything. I've just been drinking water, fasting. And then I got a couple comments asking if like I feel hungry in the mornings, and I don't. I think because I've been doing it for so long and my body's so used to it, I don't wake up hungry or thinking about like what am I gonna eat for breakfast. I just start my day, maybe have coffee, drink water, and then I usually start to get hungry around 12 o'clock. So anyways, yeah, let's make lunch. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, we're gonna start off by throwing salmon in the air fryer. This is one of my favorite things to eat, and it's so easy. You can get regular salmon. This is sweet Thai chili salmon, so there's a little bit of carbs in here because of the Thai chili, but I don't think it's enough to where it's gonna hurt me. Okay, so the salmon fillets were really big, so I cut them into 4s. That way I can also meal prep this for the week. I do have to go in the office a few days this week, so this is like perfect. Alright guys, salmon is done. I put this in the air fryer on 380 for about 15 minutes. No, it was like 13 minutes. So we're gonna make a salmon salad today. I bought this at Costco. It's a Mediterranean crunch salad. It's a kit. I don't actually use their dressing. I just like the crispy like salad mix that it comes in. So yeah, it comes with like cheese, dressing, toppings, but we are just going to use this. I just love how crunchy this is because it has like carrots, cabbage. Also, to add more crunch, I have a little mini cucumber here that we're gonna add. All right, and then we have our salmon right on top here. All right, you guys, and this is my lunch, breaking my fast. Got some salmon, salad, and then we have cucumbers. I'm actually gonna just top this with a little bit of sriracha. Ooh, that looks so good, guys. Okay, let's have lunch. Okay, so let's just take a first bite together. And yeah, I'm not using any dressing because I feel like the salmon already has like flavor. And so I love this salad. I just love how crunchy it is, and honestly, it makes me chew for a long time, so it makes me feel like I'm eating a lot because the salad is just like so small and there's like lots of little bits to it. So the salmon has cooled down. It is 3:30 now. I'm gonna just prep my lunch for the week. Alrighty, so we have salmon here and salmon here. And then I'll probably add cucumbers here and then maybe like an egg, a boiled egg here. So this is very packed with protein for lunch tomorrow and the next day. So this is what I'm doing with my leftovers. Also been on my walking, whoops, it's blurry. My walking pad all day while working. My last walk was 57 minutes, and I want to show you guys my steps. And yes, when I am walking and working, I wear my Apple Watch on my ankle because the steps are more accurate this way. I know I got a lot of questions in my last few videos. But so yeah, it's 3:30 now. When it's on my wrist and I'm working, my wrist is resting, so it's not counting the steps. So, oh my gosh, look guys, it's almost 3:30 p.m. and I've got 9,624 steps already. That is awesome. So I walked for a total of 87 minutes. That's awesome. I'm so happy. Okay, still got a few minutes to finish up here with work, and then yeah, we'll see. Okay guys, for dinner today, we are going to make little Tostitos out of leftover rotisserie chicken and these low carb street tacos. So there's not much meat left. I'm just gonna do my best to get what I can. All right, I think this is the best I can do. There was literally nothing left, but I saved it because I wanted to use it. So I feel like this step isn't too necessary, but I'm gonna do it just to give it the most flavor. We're gonna throw chicken in a pan, and then we're gonna use taco seasoning to just give it flavor. And then I'm also gonna throw some mild Taco Bell sauce into here too. This doesn't have any carbs. Okay, so then we're gonna come back and use the street tortillas. And then we're gonna use Mexican cheese, or any cheese of your liking. So I have 5 here, and I have already preheated the air fryer. You can throw this on a skillet with oil. I'm gonna do it the easy way, less mess. We're gonna just throw these in the air fryer. But when you lay them down, you wanna make sure that they're tight. Okay, so we are gonna do 380, and we're actually just gonna do 4 minutes. Okay, look at that sizzle. Wow, look at this, you guys. Super crunchy. Oh, super cheesy. I'm gonna add a little bit of this Taco Bell hot sauce. Let's try it. So change of plans, guys. The kids ate 4 out of the 5 little chicken taquitos, chicken things I just made. So I have to find something else to eat. So that's okay. They like it, they want to eat it, they can eat it. So I have soup downstairs, so I might just have maybe just like a bowl of tomato soup. I'm not really feeling grilled cheese right now. Yeah, so let's just go have a bowl of soup. I can open this. We're gonna have some tomato soup. All right, we're just gonna warm like half of this up. Okay, so we have about half, so let's throw this in the microwave. All right, guys. So I think I'm gonna make my own version of like grilled cheese, but we're gonna use these 0 carb wraps. This is the one I'm using.
Let's go. Play Minecraft.
So this is like my version of low carb grilled cheese ham. Grilled cheese with ham. And we're just going to dip. Let's try. That's good. That's actually really good with this. 10 out of 10. Okay, and then I am ending my night. This is my dessert or my snack. It's the Quest protein chips and chili lime. So, and then we've got water. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just a simple what I eat in a day, low carb. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my snack for the rest of the night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.